Abhishek has details tonight on the Pakistani hand in this plan to target the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Abhishek.
Yes, and it is clear that this is a highly radicalized individual. He's a member of the Islamic State in Khorasan province, the ISKP, which has designs on India. And behind the scenes, there were handlers who had direct linkages with ISI. In fact, he was on the radar of the agencies for a few months now. And in fact, this is in fact connected with another Islamic State plot that was busted by the Gujarat ATS about 6 months back in Surat. And that's from where they picked up the leads. And two individuals were found to be connected with the same plot. Both happened to be from Haryana. One highly radicalized. It happens to be Abdul Rahman. In fact, sources told me that he took online training. First, he made an AK-47 made of wood, learnt online on how to operate it. All through the process, he was being handled by those agents from across the border. And that's when, once they realized that he's fully radicalized, gave him this plot to target Ayodhya Ram Temple. And he did a lot of surveillance there, recce as it is called, of gate number 1 and 2. And he had come to pick up the consignment of hand grenades from Faridabad, and that's when the agencies realized that they have to pull the plug, and he was picked up. And these are the exclusive pictures we have sourced on of the moment when he was picked up from Palwal in Haryana.
What was the role of the Gujarat ATS in this? Where did the Gujarat ATS come in? And what was the location of his arrest?
Well, the location of his arrest was Palwal in Haryana, Arnob in Delhi NCR, and the role of Gujarat ATS was because they were already involved in an Islamic State case of Surat, and from there during their surveillance, tech surveillance, essentially they picked up some threads, and that's how they located Abdul Rahman as someone who was carrying out recce of the Ayodhya Ram Temple. And since this man had come to pick up consignment of the grenades in Faridabad, and it was a little far from Gujarat, that's how the Haryana STF was activated, and he was immediately nabbed before he could carry out any of his dastardly designs.
Now, what about the people who were his handlers and came to give him the grenades? What about them? Who are the others?
Yes, in fact, I asked that question. So they are hot on chase of those individuals. Arnab, they are marked. One person is marked, and he's on the run. And Haryana STF is hot on the chase, and the handlers also, in fact, agencies say are marked through the tech surveillance, but they are as of now focused on busting this whole module which was working behind Abdul Rahman to target Ram Temple in Ayodhya, and he's under interrogation. He has been singing, so hopefully the entire module would be busted soon.
What about the family of the accused terrorist from Faizabad?
So you rightly mentioned the accused is from Faizabad, and so far as the family is concerned, we are yet not shared much information or no, but because as of now the focus entirely is on nabbing the man who gave the consignment of hand grenades, 2 of them, and some other material to Abdul Rahman. First they have to nab him, which the agencies claim would be soon, possibly in the next 24 hours. And subsequent to which perhaps we'll have more details about what was the scale of the operation of which Abdul Rahman was part.
So clear Pakistan hand, ladies and gentlemen, for the grid. Clear Pakistan hand in attempt to target Ram Temple in Ayodhya. There is a clear and absolutely obvious Pakistan hand which has been found in an attempt Pakistan-sponsored attack on Ayodhya. The whole plan for that has now been revealed.